everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a galaxy like this in After Effects. In this tutorial I use Trapcode Particular plugin. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll add new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30, duration 10 seconds and I'll name it Master. Then hit OK. Go to layer, new solid and I'll name it Particular. Then hit OK. Go to back, trap code, and particular. Okay. Now I'll go to layer and I'll add a new camera. Then hit OK. Then right click, go to camera and create orbit null. Okay, this is good. So now I'll go to particle again, open emitter and set point to box and continuous to dynamic form. And if you don't see dynamic form, you can go to licensing and uh, update your particular. Okay, now I'll go to emitter size, X, Y, Z. I'll change link it to individual. Then I'll go to size X and Z. I'll change it to 1920 and also here 1920. Okay, and size Y, I'll change it to 10 and C. Just a line. Okay, now I'll go to particles and I'll add uh, 0, 0, 0. 3 zeros like this. Yeah, now I'll go to particle, change size to 2. Also at start, I change it to random from gradient and go to color gradient presets and I'll choose these colors. Then I'll move blue color like this and double click here to add another color. Yeah, okay, and something like this. Okay, so now I'll go to null object, open transform, go to X rotation and I'll change it to minus 90. Also, I'll go to camera, transform, and position. I'll decrease position to minus 5,000, like this. Okay, so now I'll go to particular and I'll open layer maps. Okay, then I'll go to size and I'll add a new composition and I'll name it layer maps size. Okay, layer maps size and I'll change height to 1920. Then hit OK. Okay, now I'll go to layer, new solid, and I'll change this color to white. Then I'll go here and title, I'll open or click on title slash action save to add some masks here. Go to pen tool and let's go. I'll add some masks like flower. Looks like flower. Okay, and here another one. Okay, another one. Yeah. Okay. So now let me go to layer and I'll add adjustment layer and I'll name it twirl. Then I'll go to effects and presets and I'll name it also and I'll type twirl. Okay. Double click or drag and drop. Okay. Yeah. Okay, now let me go to angel and I'll increase it to 330, 330. Okay. And also twirl radius, I'll increase it around 50. Yeah, this is good. Okay. Now I'll go to layer again, adjustment layer, and I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type fractal noise. Double click or drag and drop and let me name it fractal noise. Control C, Control V, and transform scale, change it to 50. Okay, and I'll increase contrast. Yeah. Okay, now I'll go to layer again because I want to add some blur. Adjustment layer, go to effect, blur and sharpen, and Gaussian blur, and let me name it also Gaussian blur, and I'll check repeat edge pixels, and I'll go to blurriness, and I'll increase it to 80. Okay, so let me go to fractal noise, and I'll go to evolution. I'll click and I'll type time times 100 or 200 to add animation like this. Okay, yeah. So let me see this. Go to master. Okay, and project layer map size, drop it into our timeline like this. Close it. Go to particular effect, and I'll go to layer maps, size, layer, set none to layer maps size. Okay, and also set off to X, Z, and C. Yeah, this is very good. So now let me lock this screen and double click here, and also I lock this screen and drag and drop to see the two screens like this. So now I want to add some masks again. So let me go to pen tool and I'll add, okay, and another one here and here also. Okay, to add some particles here. Okay, yeah, I think this is good. So now let me unlock this and close it. Then I'll go to master and also unlock it. Okay, so now let me go to displacement and create a new composition and I'll name it displacement. Okay, but I'll call it displacement white. Okay, then hit OK. Okay, now I'll go to layer, new solid, and I'll choose gray one. Go to be here, change it to 50. And again, layer, new solid, and I'll change it to white. Go to these shapes and I'll take ellipse tool. Okay, go here, hold control and double click here to see our circle. Double click again, hold alt shift control to make it smaller, something like this. Then I'll go to master again, go to project and displacement white, drop it into timeline like this, and go to particular effect, go to displacement and RGB. I'll change it to individual offset XZ, and also I'll go to layer for Y, set none to displacement white, and I'll go to null object and X rotation. I'll change it again to 0 to see this. Now we have two particles as we can see. So now I'll go to strength here and I'll change it to 80. Okay, and I'll look this screen and I'll go to displacement white, double click also. I'll look this one and yeah, drag and drop and see. Now I'll open mask, go to mask feather and increase it and see. Yeah, okay, okay. Now open it, close, go here and open this. Okay, this is very good. So now let me go to particular again, go to designer. Okay, now let me name it this system, uh, Galaxy One. Okay, and I'll go here, duplicate system, and I'll name it Galaxy. Then apply. Okay, so now I'll go to project. Okay, displacement white, Control D to copy, double click to open it. Then I'll go to white solid, go to layer, solid settings, and I'll change it to black. Okay, and also I'll go to composition settings, and I'll name it displacement black. Okay, yeah, go to master and drop it here, close it, go to particular and go to show systems, make sure that you are on Galaxy 2, and let me go to displacement or layer maps displacement. Where are you? Yeah, this one, layer maps and displacement 2, and I'll change displacement white to displacement black and see. Okay, this is very good. Okay, this is very good. So now let me go to null object, open it, and rotation X rotation, and let me rotate it to see this. Okay, also I want to add some glow, so let me go to layer, new adjustment layer, and I'll go to effect, stylize glow. Okay, and threshold, change it to 80, also radius Let me increase it something like this, and also I'll go to effect, color, curves, and I'll create curves here on RGB and here. Okay. And also I'll go to glow again, Control D to copy it. And I think it's good. So now let me change X rotation to 0. See this? Okay. Yeah. Go to last frame and keyframe, or maybe 8 seconds. It will be good, or maybe five. Yeah. Okay, and keyframe. Okay, sorry. Go to first frame and keyframe. Then I'll go to 4 seconds. Okay, and decrease it like this. Okay. Yeah. Yes. This is right. Okay. Also, I'll go to camera. I'll go to camera options and zoom. Let me increase zoom something like this. Okay. And keyframe. Then I'll go here and decrease it. Okay. Also, I want to rotate it, so I'll go to null object, press R, orientation, Y orientation. Also, let me go to first frame, keyframe, and go to last frame and add some orientation like this. And this is our animation. Again, okay, I think we need to add more zoom. Okay, maybe something like this. Faster. Yeah. And that's all. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.